In previous video, we created so many instances such as data factory, our directory files, and our Azure data credentials and storage account as well. And also one data set inside our Azure data factory. Now I'm going to create another data set which will be next pipeline. So I'm going to search data lake storage here, continue, CSV file again, and then going to name it as destination and going to select the same linked storage, and I'm going to select sample, and inside this sample I'm going to perform this transformation. This destination file will be used as transformation here. I'm going to click OK and click OK, and now go back here. Inside this pipeline, create a new pipeline, going to perform copy activity, drop it here, click on this settings, go to left and click on this part, click on this source. I'm going to select source path which will copy my telco customer data. Let's preview that data first. Here you can see so many files are already there. Okay, so if I scroll down, you can see multiple options are already there. Now I'm going to select sync, and this sync is the destination here, and here you can see we have the copy behavior and everything. I'm not going to explain all these properties. If you want to learn, you can go back my Azure Data Factory video series. So this would be CSV extension. I'm going to select this part and let's first publish. As you can see, this publish is completed here on right hand side. Then you can run through your debug operation. Okay, let's debug this pipeline, and it will be the status will be shared here. It will be depicting here. As you can see, this activity has been succeeded. Now if you want to add advanced activity, you can add trigger. For example, you can add trigger now if you want to trigger it. If you want to trigger sometimes else or somewhere else, then you can use this new or edit. So different kind of trigger will be there. In case you want to move this file from SQL Server or any on-premises data, you can use that file also. Please check my video series for that. So I'm going to check my data set again, which is showing here inside the sample. Previously this transformation was blank. Now you can see this is showing something here, because if you remember, inside this sample we uploaded this file here in this category, but now this has moved to this location. The location is now transform. Okay, now what we will do in the next step, in next video, we will be using Databricks part where we will perform some transformation of this file, and we will be fetching some other parts where we will be doing so many things over this file. Let's meet in the next video.